So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the upper dash panel together with the airbag assembly. So as you can see, I got a blown or deployed airbag here, so I'm gonna replace the whole dash panel. On the driver's side, I've already replaced this. It's a lot easier compared to this passenger side. So this is a 2013 Toyota Corolla. Hey guys, let's start it. So first step, whenever dealing with airbags and electronic seat belts, you have to disconnect your battery. Then, so this is very easy to remove. You just need to just like this. Yeah, that's it. So next we're gonna remove this part, but just need to be very careful. You don't want to damage the edges or any plastic trim, just like that. Okay, and we got a Phillips screw here. Then next we can just remove this glove box here. So we just need to remove this and then squeeze this a little bit, and there you go. And the next step is we can just take this guy out. Just like that. Okay. Okay. And just reconnect this guy here. Okay, we got a screw here. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Let's remove the we got a flathead screw driver, and let's try to, that's it. For this thing, you just pull it out and there should be a harness here. We just unclip these sockets. Or we can just unplug this one clip here and just leave it hanging here. The next step is we got maybe some screws here, and we need to disconnect the airbag plug here. Just need to unplug this guy here. Let's try to push this part. So in order to unplug this, just try to poke this part here. And just try to pull it apart. And after that we have a 112 mm socket screw here, as you can see. That's connected to the airbag base. Okay, so I'm gonna remove that 12 mm nut over there. we need to remove this panel here, but first just pull this rubber, then just so after that you just try to pull this box here. So in this case I need my video man to help me, so I'm gonna pause the video first. So we're able to move this side panel out of our way. So now we're gonna just, so we already just took it everything out of its lock, and now we just need to, okay, that's it. We're gonna put our new dash in, same steps, everything should be the same. Okay guys, thank you for watching. So I've placed my new dash. As you can see, there's no everything is intact. It's new and it came from the same year model car. So I'm gonna put all this together, and then step by step, as I removed it, I need to put it back the same way. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Enjoy.